you have decided to buy a term insurance. Good. The next step is choosing the right one, and that is where many people go wrong. The instinct is start by premium and pick the cheapest option. But a lower premium does not mean a better plan. What matters is whether the plan will actually work for your life when you need it to. So today we are answering, how should a woman in India choose her term insurance plan? Because the selection criteria are different from what most guides tell you, and getting them right is the whole point. A woman choosing her first term insurance plan in India in 2026 should prioritize 5 things. A claim settlement ratio above 97%, a career break premium waiver rider, women-specific critical illness cover, a policy term matching her longest liability, and a premium reflecting her lower actuarial risk. This video provides a framework for that. The standard advice covers CSR, premium, and flexibility, all useful, but none of it asks whether your plan has a career break waiver. None of it checks whether your critical illness rider covers women-specific cancers. And none of it accounts for the fact that you may be financially responsible for both your children and your parents at the same time. These are the not niche concern. For most working women in India, they are the criteria that determine whether a plan actually fits your life. So here is a 5-step framework built specifically around those criteria. This framework is adapted from standard term insurance evaluation criteria, adjusted for the financial profile of working women in India, career break risk, multi-generational dependency, and women-specific health risk. Here is what each step means in practice. Step 1. Cover calculation. Use the DIME formula. Debt, income replacement adjusted for career break risk, mortgage, and education. For most women earning from rupees 8 to 15 lakhs with a home loan and dependents, the right cover lies between rupees 1.5 crores and rupees 2.5 crores. If you have dependent parents, factor their support cost into income replacement. Standard guides miss this entirely. To get your exact number, we have a dedicated video on the DIME formula linked in the description. It walks you through the full calculation so you can arrive at the cover that actually fits your situation. Step 2. Claim settlement ratio. According to the IRDAI annual report, a CSR above 97% indicates reliable claim handling. Check 3 consecutive years, not just the latest one. A single year's figure can be a statistical outlier. Step 3. Career break waiver. A waiver of premium rider keeps your policy active if your income stops due to disability or critical illness. Some plans also offer a premium deferral option for a defined career break period. Not as same as the waiver, but equally useful if you are planning a voluntary pause. Confirm both options before shortlisting. If they are not on the product page, ask specifically before you buy. Step 4. Women-specific CI rider. A critical illness rider covering breast cancer, cervical cancer, and ovarian cancer pays out a lump sum on diagnosis, separate from your life cover. This is not standard across all plans. Check the covered condition list before signing. Step 5. Policy terms. Your cover should run until your longest liability is resolved, home loan cleared, children independent, retirement corpus built. For most women buying in their late 20s or early 30s, age 60 is the minimum. For a term plan for a woman with dependent parents in India, extend it to 65 if your parents have no other financial support. Say you are 29, salaried, parents partially dependent, earning rupees 10 lakhs. For how to choose term insurance if you are a woman in India at this stage, DIME cover lands at rupees 1 to 1.5 crores. At 29, your premiums are at the lowest. Locking this in now saves you significantly over the policy term. Confirm CSR above 97%, career break waiver availability, and CI rider for female cancers before signing. Say you are a 35-year-old working mother with a home loan of rupees 40 lakhs outstanding, income of rupees 14 lakhs. For term insurance for women with a home loan in India 2026, your mortgage sits directly in the DIME calculation and your cover must hold until the loan clears, typically 15 to 20 more years from this point. Career break waiver is a non-negotiable here. If a health event forces you to step back from work, the last thing your family should face is a lapsed policy on top of a running home loan. And if you are self-employed with variable income, use a 3-year income average for DIME, not a single peak year. Go higher than a salaried peer at the same income level because you have no employer group cover as a fallback. Let me leave you with 3 questions I hear a lot and their direct answers as well. How should a woman choose her first term insurance plan in India? Start with the 5-step framework. CSR above 97% over 3 consecutive years. Career break waiver rider confirmed. CI rider covering breast and cervical cancer on the covered conditions list. Policy terms matched to your longest loan or dependency. Do not start with premiums. Start with whether the plan fits your life. HerCare, ABSLI's term plan for women under the Her Insurance Suite is built specifically around these 5 criteria. What is the most important rider for a working woman's term plan? The career break waiver and the critical illness rider. You want both. The waiver keeps your policy active if your income stops. The CI rider pays a lump sum on diagnosis without touching your life cover, so your family does not have to choose between your treatment and their financial security. For term insurance selection criteria for working mothers in India, both together are non-negotiable. Can a woman get a career break waiver on her term insurance premium? Yes, through the waiver of the premium rider available on eligible plans. It must be added at the time of purchase. It cannot be added after the policy is issued. Confirm availability on the product page or with your ABSLI advisor before signing. You now have the 5 steps. Cover calculation using women adapted dying formula, CSR benchmark, career break waiver confirmed, CI rider for women specific cancers, policy term matched to your longest liability. I have linked ABSLI's term insurance option for women in the description. Use the framework checklist to evaluate any plan in under 5 minutes. HerCare under ABSLI Her Insurance Suite is built specifically around these 5 criteria. Premiums are deductible under Section 123 of the Income Tax Act 2025, previously Section 80C, renumbered effective 1st April 2026. The payout your family receives is completely tax-free under Section 11, read with Schedule 2nd, previously Section 1010D. End screen links take you to the cover calculator video and the plans comparison. If the cover question is still open, start there first. Both are the part of the series. This is how to choose a term insurance plan for women in India. Link is in the description.